to give you a tip, yung isa sa importante dyan, pagka, lalo na sa local SEO, are reviews. So, kung kunyari, meron kang kliyente na may shop, sabihin natin beauty parlor, for example. So, ang ano dyan, dapat yung Google Business Profile nila, mas maganda, mas maraming reviews, and mas maganda kung positive yung mga reviews and authentic. So, meron kasi na iba na nag-hire, kasi meron yan, may mga nag-offer ng service na yan sa Upwork or anywhere else, na bibigyan kayo ng simulated or mga fake, actually fake talaga yan, fake review. So, medyo you try as much as possible to avoid yung mga ganyan. Kasi siguro makakalusot kayo paminsan-minsan, pero you cannot really rely na lagi kayong lilusot dyan. Laging yung i-remind na lang yung clients nyo na as much as possible, sila mismo, when they provide service, they encourage their clients to give reviews